guys, it's me Lex, and today we are doing a quick tip Thursday. And here's one of my tips: is if you want to record your music or whatever. So this is just something you can do to record your music. So what you do is, you see right here, you go to YouTube right here, and you search up a video or like music that you want to hear. We're gonna do Let Me Down Slowly by Alec Benjamin. Let me down slowly.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away.
Let me down. Anyways, so yeah, that's the song I'm doing. And so what you want to do is basically, so you know how they have, let me like zoom in. No, okay. Anyways, so you see how they have like the thumbs up, the thumbs down, the share, and the downloads right there. So what you want to do is go to share, and it has these. It's actually right here. Like when you first tap on it, it's that thing that says copy link. So yeah, we want to do that. So it says copied right there. Copy. And then what you want to do is you want to get out of YouTube.
If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely.
Okay, I'm kidding. Anyways, so you want to go to YouTube. So you want to get out of YouTube. And then you want to go right here. It's called Documents. It looks like that. So you want to go there. And then right here, you want to go to browser, which we are already at. We're at browser. So then right here, you just want to click on it, and then click on it 2 times, and then press paste. And it has the link down to the video that I just had. And then, so yeah, so as you can see, it's right there. And for us, so what you want to do is go right here. So you want to do this, paste, and it finds the YouTube. And then you want to go right here. And then what we have to do is we have to put MP4 360, that one, and then it has this. Then you want to press done, which is at the top corner. So, and then once you see that arrow right there at that top corner where it has the number 1, that means it's downloading, and whenever it has the 1, that means it's done downloading. So, okay. So what you want to do is go there, and you see the songs I have and already have. So the first one is Let Me Down Slowly, which I just put. So you want to click on that, and then you have your song.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away.
Anyways, that's how you do that. And yeah. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!